Today we're showing you a 2016 Maxxum 145 MC tractor. Tractor has just under 200 hours on it. It was sold new in 2019, so it still has the balance of the remaining warranty. Tractor is in excellent condition. Again, just under 200 hours, so it's in great shape. It does have the Case IH L105 quick attach front loader. Has a nice large bucket on it. Global cell hookup for your bucket connection. Has the grill guard up front here. LED work lights in the cab. Has the mirrors on both sides of the cab. Tires are excellent. The tractor is plumbed for Grapple. The loader is not. So if you'd like to add a Grapple function, you simply have to tie into this coupler right here and then run hoses to the front for your Grapple connection. The larger coupler here is for your standard loader hoses, and then this lower one here again is for your Grapple connection if you do want to add a Grapple. Steps here on the right side, door as well on the right side, has the mirror on both sides, 3 sets of rear wheel weights, also has the cast centers and bar axles. Got your buttons for your 3-point remote and PTO back here. 540 and 1000 PTO. Triple remotes, has the ISO connection here. Cab suspension. LED work lights back here as well as a beacon warning light. It's a very, very sharp tractor. Tractor looks practically new, as you can see. It does have the cold weather package with the connections right here for your plug-ins. And again, this is the MC model, so it's got all the controls right here on the armrest. You've got forward reverse control, shift controls, loader control, 3-point control, remotes, everything right there within easy reach. Also have a forward reverse control over here if you choose to use that. Hand park brake here to the left of the seat. It does have the air ride seat here for the operator. On the right there you've got all your gauges and displays. Over there to the right, this thing flips up here as well. You got climate controls up top. Also has a visibility roof in it, so that'll, it's kind of sticking there for me, but that will open up and allow you to stack bales. You can see a little bit better out the top there. We do take trades. We also can arrange shipping anywhere here within the US. Also can offer low rate financing for qualified customers. If you have any questions regarding the unit, please contact us.